Welcome to the War and Waste Academy. Do you want to be a winner? Well, if you do, you might want to listen in to the Lynn and Craig talk about 567 problem solving and how it leads to high ROI solutions. Here's Lynn. I'd like to talk about the role that pioneers and settlers play in 567 problem solving. We're usually in a hurry to get things done in 567 problem solving. And so when we encounter a team that's not progressing at the speeds that we want, one of the early things that we check out is the balance of pioneers and settlers on the team. Now, we don't spend a lot of time trying to assess an individual, whether he or she is a pioneer or a settler. We use just intuition and just a gut feeling about whether they're pioneers or settlers. And usually we're right. Occasionally we're wrong, but it's not a big deal. Our goal is speed. We want to get problems solved, and we don't have a lot of time to play around with, call it pioneers that are playing games. So when we come into a team and we see 4 pioneers, 1 settler on the team, we immediately try to rebalance it by taking 2 pioneers or 3 pioneers off it and leaving it with 1 or probably 3 pioneers. And the reason is that when pioneers are trying to get things done, they'll argue extensively about which of their ideas is the better. And many times there's 2 or 3 ways to solve a problem, and pioneers have a difficulty usually coming to an agreement on what the best way to solve the problem is. So we solve that problem by just saying, okay, get rid of the pioneers, put a couple more settlers on the team, and move forward. And for the most part, we've seen pretty good success, and we don't argue about the results because we see them successful all the time. But if you try to put all pioneers on a team, there is a way to get it to work. And I'm not going to discuss that now. That's sort of like one of our trade secrets. But if you want to get a team to work, balance it with pioneers and settlers. Don't be dominated by pioneers, or you're in for trouble. And again, our reason for worrying about this is trying to get things done. And often having a team of pioneers will keep things from getting done. Thank you very much.
In closing, 567 problem solving always works with high ROI, any problem in any industry. If you want to get hold of either Craig or Lynn, their email and phone numbers are listed below. Again, thank you very much.